someone who made me very comfortable. I learned so much. I was when I actually started shooting with her. अभी नवाज सर स्टेज पे है तो अकेले नहीं छोड़ सकते. उनकी जो पहली फिल्म की प्रेमिका है, उनके बिना आई थिंक ये दोनों अधूरे हैं. ये जो लव स्टोरी हम लोग कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं. अरे बोलने तो, इंट्रोडक्शन तो देने दो. हुमा कुरैशी गाइस. Huma, you'll say a few words. Huma will actually sing a song for you guys from the film. वो बहुत दिनों से प्रैक्टिस कर रही है. उन्होंने बोला कि काफी एक्ट्रेसेस आजकल गा रही है, तो Huma भी गा रही है. I can hit you with a hammer if you want. I think I'd prefer that, है ना? No, I can't sing a song, but I just want to thank everyone on stage because they've made this film possible. I think it's very gutsy for the director and the producer of this film, Sriram, and to have really done this. For Varun, because he has this really chocolate boy image. Because when I first heard the script, I remember I was on a flight with Varun's dad and his mum. She's also here today. It's actually a very funny story. And like all mothers, his mum was very excited. And she's like, oh, you're doing a film with my Varun? I was like, yes, auntie. And but I don't know, it's a very dark film. I've just heard it. So my dad, my dad came home and he was like, अरे हुमा को डार्क लग रहा है तो कितना डार्क होगा? तो आई सेड मुझे नहीं पता. इस लाइक पर उसने कितने डार्क फिल्म्स किए तो ये कितना डार्क है वरुण. तो आई सेड आप देख लो, अभी मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता, बट यू आर इन फॉर अ शॉक. ओके, एनीवे वी गॉट द रेस्ट of the stellar cast of Badlapur over also, so I want to call all of them up on stage also. First up, I want to call the blockbuster Marathi heroine. She's going to hate me for this, but Tanta Naita Ghanta Nai Radhika Apte. You will say a few words.
I'd like to thank Dinu, Sriram sir, Varun, Huma, Nawaz, Poonam, Pooja, everybody actually. I'm very grateful to be a part of this film and I've thoroughly enjoyed being a part of this film. Just one thing I'd like to say is that I've always felt that the grayness, the grey shades of characters is something that lacks in a lot of cinema here. And thank you very much for exploring that, because I think this film is going to be the epitome of that, and it's the best thing, I think, and I'm glad to be a part of it. Thank you.
Next up, can I have someone who made me very comfortable? I learned so much. I was when I actually started shooting with her for this film, I was in a very dark place because of the stuff that we had done before this, and she really did hold my hand and was actually a friend and very, very sweet to me. That's Ms. Divya Datta. Few words, Divya.
What do I say? I think for an actor, it's a sheer delight. These are experiences you cherish when you look back in life, that you're working with a dream team, a director you've always wanted to work with, a producer who backs you up for everything that you'd ever require, and actors who just, I think acting is all about reacting. So he has been amazing in the film. And Nawaz, I have done some very good scenes with. I didn't get a chance to work with these two ladies, but they are absolutely brilliant in the film. And I'd like to thank everyone from the team. बस इतना ही कहूँगी सबकी तरफ से कि कहने को महज एक लफ्ज़ है, तहे दिल से जो निकले उसे शुक्रिया कहते हैं. Thank you so much.
Also, we have with us today a very senior and a very experienced, respected actor who's part of Badlapur. I had the good fortune of sharing few scenes with her as well. That's Mrs. Pratima ji.
बहुत दिन के बाद, अरसे बाद इतने अच्छे कलाकारों के साथ काम करने को मिला. और सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी मुझे ये है कि जब श्रीराम जी ने मेरे को इस रोल के लिए कॉल किया और कहा कि प्रतिमा जी, क्योंकि मैंने उनके साथ एक हसीना थी फिल्म करी थी, और उन्होंने कहा कि ऐसे ऐसे अगर आप हाँ करेंगी तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, तभी मैं किसी और को इसमें कास्ट करने की सोचूंगा, नहीं तो आप. मैंने कहा सर, मैं तो आंख बंद करके, कान बंद करके इस फिल्म के लिए हाँ करती हूँ. और सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे अच्छा लगा वरुण के साथ काम करके. मैं थिएटर से हूँ और सबसे बड़ी बात मुझे लगी कि बहुत हार्ड वर्क करता है अपने कैरेक्टर पे. और मेरे साथ भी एक सीन है इनका, और मेरे को हुमा के साथ तो काम करने का मौका नहीं मिला. नवाज़ के साथ हम थिएटर में एक साथ रहे हैं पर कभी काम करने का मौका नहीं मिला, तो इस फिल्म में उनकी माँ का रोल करने को मिला है। तो थैंक यू श्री राम जी और थैंक यू दीनू जी।